Hello guys, this is a instruction to how to fix or install the for window. Yes, this is the first step, the second step, and we have a third step too. And you can read this and follow this instruction, and you can fix your things. Okay, and let's do the installation here. And I show you the step by step. Okay, this one first, you clean the window side by side, left, right to left, or this one, and clean overall side by side, left to right, and corner by corner, and also the window and the frame before you put the velcro sticky one. And I show you here in the video. Yeah, make sure it's clean before you put the velcro sticker. And let's go guys, and let's start to put the velcro. Yeah, see this from left right there. I point there, where can I put the velcro sticky right there. Okay, and this one guys, the velcro right there, easy to install this one right here. Again, I point this one from left to right here, and this is a clean one. And let's say put one here right there. Okay, and the window side, inside the window right there. Yep, and we start to put the velcro now. Okay, in here it's up to you if what first you can put. My first thing is you put in the frame first. It's easy like that guys, easy. You can watch that guys, right? You can remove the paper, and at the back of the paper we have like a stick, and easy. You see that? Yep. And now I put this one guys for window right there. Yeah, at the back of this is so easy. You can stick on the Velcro sticker like that, and easy like that, guys. See? Oh, like a curtain, right? Yeah, side by side. If depends to you if you're open for your exhaust, if for your left window or right window, it's depend to you, and you can adjust too, or you can adjust if what do you want here, and like that. See? And now finish. And this is my ignition portable air condition insignia right there.
That's power.
See, I show you here. Oh, from this is a host like that, easy. Alright, and I show you at the back too. And this is the outside window. See? Easy like that, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.